Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INNL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. So I don't mean to state the obvious, but I am anyways. Very, very nice day today. Volume came pouring in, and the price reacted very nicely with it, including the final 30 minutes. So again, each of these represents 30 minutes. So you look here at the last 30 minutes, big volume bar there, and then the candle, very strong, in fact, closed right up there at the high of the day. So let's map out some levels of support, then we'll talk about areas of resistance. The ideal level of support, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can stay up above $1.50, that would be a very big sign of strength. Now, if the price drops below it, by no means am I saying that everything's totally ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, in terms of best case scenario, $1.50 would be a very good sign. Next level of support after $1.50, they're at $1.20. So $1.50 and $1.20. Two near term levels. Taking a step back, looking at the big picture of things, for those of you that care about the grand perspective of it all, keep an eye on the purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. I realize the purple line's way down there and the price is way up there, but keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line here is going to move its way upwards, and essentially, you can picture that as a trend line. So when you stop and think about it, well, what does the price need to do in order to stay above an uptrending trend line? Well, the price itself needs to continue to uptrend. And that's what long-term bullish moves do, right? And that's why I love charts. When you look at them certain ways, they essentially insult your intelligence. So again, very black and white, very simplistic way to look at this from a big picture perspective. As long as price is above that purple line, bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? For this, I think I'm going to have to go to another time frame. Yep, we're going to go to the daily time frame here. Good problem to have. There we go. Because it's been a long time since the price has been up this high. So let's see. Yeah, next key one up there. Oh, that makes it easy. Up at $2. So $2 next big hurdle. And I'm just going to focus on one level of resistance. Reason for that, at least in my opinion, top priority right now is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority at this point is now go through some healthy consolidation, build some higher bases, because from a big picture, as long as the price is putting in those higher bases, long-term chart will take care of itself. So very nice start to the week. We'll see how the rest of this week all unfolds. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.